Pastor G, I'm gonna call you mengiqede la. Manje zama ungifonela. Ngifonela mangabe mengiqede nje la ngizokuthinta. But thank you so much for connecting me with that guy. You know, that guy made things happen. That guy made things happen. Cela ngitshela uPastor G ngizomfona mengiqede live. Siyami. Uyabungidinga ma? Ufuna ukukhuluma indaba eseceleni? Oh, it's fine. Ngizoqeda manje. Ngifuna nje ukuthi bangalokhu bethi abantu scam. Ukuthi I'm back. I am back. Siyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ningibekezelele. Awanda bese ningikhumbule yini noma ningangikhumbule. I think kuzo zonke izinto ebekade zingilahlele ngibona ukuthi ngiyawuthanda lo mphakathi lo. But siyabonga bazalwane in everything that happens nakhona na in everything thiwa sobonga uNkulunkulu. Asinakulindela okuhle kodwa uNkulunkulu. I always say this, when uNkulunkulu engenzela izinto, I come to you and I don't see a need of I don't need to hide izinto ezenzakalayo because kuzo zonke izinto ezenzakalayo. Yeah, Pastor G, ngiyabona i-call yakho. I'm gonna call you when I'm done, sir. So angifuni ukuthi kube khona engikufihlayo because we are living in this world and there are a lot of people esiba influenceayo and esiba impactayo nje in life. So kulaba bangazi, I'm sure kodwa senibonile ama-updates amaningi, intatheli ziyabhala. Khona lo ngihlekisile-ke, awukhona lo ngiqedile. Hey, ngoba futhi uNkulunkulu wami. Ngoba futhi uNkulunkulu wami. Ziyabhala ezinye intatheli. Kona lo wesivuthayo eMaputaland obhala ukuthi ngisale nezicathulo hayibo kwalezi izicathulo engizigqokile naza zikho yazi ngaphatheka kabi ngoba vela zikho zihambile and bengisayigqokeka u2 kuphela na into engikhalisa kakhulu only 2 but ke yabo mabekuthiwa in every situation obonga uNkulunkulu bombonga ngempela. Ngiyazi ukuthi people will have a lot of think abanye ngabi nandaba, abanye bazohleka bazojabula, well I don't care. Abanye bazothi shosho uyalunga uhleze sichomela, I don't care. Because I think ezinye izinto mangabuzenza with pure heart of influencing abanye abantu, with pure heart of bringing hope to abanye abantu ukuthi into odlule kuyona noma ukukhula kwakho has nothing to do with la uyakhona. So I think that is my whole point with the Stacey thing. Ukuthi ngitshela abantu little did I know what it will bring a lot of mourners. Yeah, but again, I won't dwell on that because I really don't know. Abantu bangaviewa njengendlela yabo, abanye bathi umona, abanye bathi it was a pure crime. Well, mina ke bengisesimeni, I think I understand it ngenye indlela. Because ngimbonile uNkulunkulu engenelela kusona lesimo. you know mangabe uzokhona ukubona uNkulunkulu phakathi emlilweni umbone kodwa uNkulunkulu, that's what it happened. So mina ngi understand that differently more than what abantu beyibona ngakhona. Noma ithiwa bekuyini, whether bekuwumona, whether bekubugebengu, whether it was planned, whether it was not planned, whether babe nenhlanhla or ababanga nenhlanhla, but ngimbonile uNkulunkulu. I think that's what I will dwell on kakhulu, because in such situations it's very rare where you uphuma ube umuntu onormal. It's very rare when uphuma ube umuntu onormal. But that's what happened to me. Right. When I said uphuma umuntu onormal, mpume angilimalanga. Akwenzalanga, a lot of people were bebebuza shembe phone awulimalanga. No, ilokho kubalekile, and that was my prayer. Kathi banjiwe abantu kabazo understand kakhulu abantu esebedlulile kulesimo. Mongakazi udlule kusona, you rather keep quiet because you don't know ukuthi kusuke sekwenzeke njani. And a lot of people were calling me, lababa close nami, abane number yam, were calling me and said, you know what, I lost my loved ones during the situation eskanje, because they failed to cooperate with the situation. Bazamugulwa, and then they end up far, and then they took everything. You know, there are a lot of stories that I've heard. Even the police were saying, yo, you are lucky, because in most of the cases, especially in Zagala in the area, especially these days, we always come with my body bag. And for me, it was nearly that. But my thing is that that's what I know. I still have a lot of work to do. So as much as bengena kukusaba, but always knew ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngeke angithathe manje, and I still believe in that. Ngeke angithathe manje. Kubazalwane besinabo on Sunday enkonzweni, I was preaching about the very same thing. Little did I know ukuthi I'll become a very first person to do it practically yakhona, because I said mangabe uNkulunkulu esibuka esezulwini ebuka emhlabeni akasi mancane bangizokunaka manje. uNkulunkulu akasikali ngezinto esinazo. That's what we do thina. Even nabosisi bamanje nefanele baqomba babuza ukuthi umfana unayo imoto, unayo imali. Well, God doesn't look at that. uNkulunkulu ubheka ukuthi usakhona yini umphefumulo. So that's what I was preaching about. Ngithi zonke lezi zinto esinazo ezokujabulisa inyama for the flesh, but God is after the spirit. Awufaka kumuntu ngesikhathi emdala emhlabeni. That's what God is after. Konke lokho sesicela for us ukuthi siphile kahle la emhlabeni. So I become a good example of that, because bafika nje bathatha lezi zinto lezi ezingamethi kuNkulunkulu. So whether unazo noma unazo, it doesn't matter to God. Even noma uyicela uNkulunkulu usukenzela wena. And one thing that I know, God will restore everything le lahlekile. I'm not even crying anymore. I'm not even angisakhathazekile with everything. Leyanja yakuyona la ekhaya yake bleyanje encane lapha. Shayeni. Shani leyanja leya. Sorry mazalwane. George dila na ingene kanjani? Ishaye naye lapho webona na ishaye. Hayibo. So guys, as I was saying, thank you so much to all those abasendila mabesenda lama message athi shosh. Ngithi share manginandaba. Ngifuna nikwazi ukuthi anginandaba. Noma ningafila kanjani, noma ningathene. Shame. I know my God what He was doing. As I am getting into, I think uNkulunkulu doesn't train. There are very few people that train in private. Abanye abantu ba trainwa in public, so that you will see ukuthi abantu ngeke bazi ukuthi ngeke basho ukuthi sikhonza uNkulunkulu ngoba akusehlelo kubi. Naso kubi kuyasehlela. The only thing that is wenza njani after the situation, your reaction, it's what matters to God. Well, I won't say zonke izinto seziyi-right, the family is still traumatized. But yeah, God is helping us. It was just a quick update which I'm back now on my original page. Sengizobuyisela uNdumiso ipage lakhe Nkosi yami le bese ngithi ngiyalisebenzisa, so sengizolibuyisela ke futhi kuyena aqhubeka alisebenzise. So thank you so much guys for the prayers, nozwelo, emotional support, the calls that I got and everything. And to all those mhlambe ebengine number zabo Nkosi yami bazi ukuthi angisenazo, umuntu angazi imehlula umuntu ukuthi ayichaze ukuthi uba, uthi uyambuza umuntu sorry ngikhuluma noba athi how yeni boba yithi yeni angibhuli Nkosi yami yeni ubani zisho isimple nje leyo nto. You know sikhuluma nosibani man. Thank you. So so nje guys, I really appreciate you and yazi abantu sebelokubheka izimo ke kuyajwayeleka njalo mosesimena abantu will always point and people will always abantu bazoveza imbono yabo yomona. Well umona ke into esinayo sonke wonke umuntu nawo umona wakhe. It's debalekile into ebalekile ukuthi ucontrola kanjani umona wakho. So go check up ukuthi leyo comment leyo ivele simene esinjani. So I'm good, I'm in good spirits, I'm strong for the family, I'm strong. And hayi baze bafona shema ningixoleleni Nkosi yami ngizonibamba. Ngoba shaya ngo call back manje bonke la phela ngisena mali manje kade ngilokhu ngizama ukucover ngithe izinto ngenza lokho. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much. uGeorge Nkosi yami ubekhona, he is so funny ngimthathe for a pampering. He's so traumatized. I remember the following day uGeorge was crying, like literally crying, that how hectic it was. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much. uNkulunkulu akanibusise. It was just a quick update. I'm back on my page. I will update you. And yeah, you're right. We are good. Thank you so much for ukuzwelana nathi. We will recover. Isn't there material safika singenalutho siyohamba singenalutho. So I cannot ngigowishe through all lezi zinto ehambile. Someone was saying to me, when angathi udlala ngathi nje awuzange wena uzulahlekele. Hey guys, we are taking izinto different as fun. Mhlambe ukube khona olahlekelwe njengami ongenayo lenhliziyo enginayo noma ongenayo leli themba enginalo, mhlambe ngabulele phansi bese kukusiza ngani. Because some of us, they will know uma ngabe ungenayo i-backup okanye i-backup yakho kuNkulunkulu, or where you have people that are depending on you, you don't grieve like abanye abantu, you grieve ngendlela ehlukile. And ke mina ngikuthanda nje angikuthandi mina bafethu ukudabukisa nani. I just don't like that. I love to be in good spirits, whether kuhle noma kubi. I love to always be happy. I am really after my happiness. I'm really after my well-being. I'm really after nje ukukhululeka nokuphila kahle kwami. It's unfortunately ukuthi abanye abantu when mesiphilela kahle baya